Hello students, I hope you are doing well. In previous class we learnt about our national flag and today we are going to learn about our national symbol. So you can see here these are national symbols. The national symbol of India represent the rich heritage, culture and nature of India's national identity. These symbols have been taken from the flora and fauna of our country. So let's learn more about our national symbol.
National symbols of India. Here are some of the national symbols. First we have our national flag. The national flag of India is Tiranga or tricolor. It represents sacrifice, prosperity, truth and peace. So our national flag is Tiranga. Next, our national bird. The Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The peacock represents the unity of vivid colors and finds references in India culture. Next, our national fruit, mango. Affectionately called king of fruit is the national fruit of India. It represents prosperity and richness. So our national fruit is mango. Our national flower. The national flower of India is lotus. It is an aquatic herb. The lotus symbolizes knowledge, wealth, along with purity of heart and mind. Next, our national animal. Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It symbolizes bravery and strength. So tiger is the royal animal. So our national animal is tiger. The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man. National anthem was composed by poet Rabindranath Tagore ji. So our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. The national song of India is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram national song has been written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. So national song and national anthem are the tribute to our rich culture and heritage. Our national river. Ganga or Ganges is our national river of India. Do you know why is it taken as national river? Because it is longer river in our country and it supports to popular area. It has been mentioned in our architecture and literature a lot of time. So our national river is Ganga. Next, the national emblem. Now we have national emblem. The national emblem of India is adopted from lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Its motto is Satyameva Jayate. National aquatic animal. The national aquatic animal of India is Ganges River dolphin. The Ganges River dolphin has been declared as national aquatic animal of India. By the Indian government, it represents purity. Next, national tree. The national tree of India is banyan tree. It symbolizes eternal life. Next, national reptile. Next, national reptile king cobra is the national reptile of India. King cobra is also known as Nag. National game. Hockey is the national game of India. Indian hockey player who made India proud was Dhyan Chand. National heritage animal. The Indian elephant has been declared as national heritage animal of India. Indian currency. The national currency of India is Indian rupee. National vegetable. Our pumpkin is the national vegetable of India. So these are national symbols. I hope keep practicing and learning. Thank you for paying attention.